I got a strange call from none other than MrBeast, where he told me about this thing called TeamSeas.
The goal of TeamSeas is to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean. Probably the craziest thing we've ever attempted.
And he was asking if I could help use my large subscriber base and audience to help direct people to TeamSeas.org to help raise $30 million to clean up the oceans. I then got another strange call from Mr. Mark Rober.
How's it going, buddy?
And I agreed to have a go at helping out with this good cause, as ultimately this is the sort of thing I'd like to be able to do with my time. And so... This is the River Avon in Warwickshire, and it's looking alright, mostly in the river, but there is a couple of things all around the bank. I guess what could happen is when it floods, like it did earlier this year, is that would just get washed back into the river, or maybe it gets blown in. So though it's not even in the river, it might be good to clear up around the banks, because inevitably it does flood quite a lot around the UK, and this is certainly flooded before. I might be able to find a few pictures of where it's flooded around where I live, so I thought I might clear up around here as a start, because I had a bit of a look around all the rivers around where I live locally. I don't live too close to the sea, and there isn't a great deal of rubbish around the rivers that I found so far, so maybe this is a good start. So it's taken me, I don't know, 5-10 minutes just to clear up this bag of rubbish. So it really doesn't take that long to just clear up a little bit of it. And look, there's even cooking oil, so a metal tin of cooking oil, another plastic container of oil, which is going to be even worse. The further I keep going, the more I see. So there's a basketball over there, there's even this, whatever that is. And I've even seen a couple of trolleys over in that river over there, and a cone as well. So that's surely quite a lot of pounds to get out of the river, a couple of trolleys and that. I mean, I can see more stuff down there, but just the more you look, the more rubbish you find. Maybe I'll come back when I've got another bag, because I'm full, and I'll see how much more I can collect. So the scales registered 2.1 before, for some reason they zeroed again, but 2.1 kilos, so that's about 4.6 pounds of rubbish taken out of the river, or at least what could have gone into the river. So it only took me 5 or 10 minutes to pick up about 4.6 pounds of rubbish. It really doesn't take that long to pick it up. Why not see if you can help pick up some of this rubbish as well in the rivers and oceans and beaches, and head on over to TeamSeas.org to see if you can donate any money to this good cause. Thank you very much.